So this is what it looks like. I'm starting my own work from home electronics repair business. I bought a desk. I was expecting it to be a bit more bigger. But you can see my solder station there, my test television where I plug in, and then for admin stuff, the computer. As I mentioned, I was expecting it to be a bit bigger. I might end up removing this board here and just leave this open and move the printer down there. But I also was not expecting these to be fabric. So I have the electronic repair parts that I use in here. They're pretty deep. I like that they're deep, they go all the way back. But I was expecting them a bit more bigger than that. And then I also got this chair. It's a chair. Doesn't change anything. Only thing with this is I can't sit on the edge. I have to sit all the way back. But this is functional.
This is the desk. Looks very nice. There's a lot of room here. As you can see, the wood is very nice looking. It's got a lot of little compartments. These compartments are not made out of wood. These are made of cloth or some cardboard like thing, but still they work just the same. As you can see, they're pretty good. You've got some compartments here to put, your desktop, router, things like that. Overall, pretty good product for what it was worth. I think it was like $130.